In this video, I'll show you how to delete all Facebook activity. I'll show you how you can be able to clear FB history. So open up your Facebook, scroll up, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll up, you're going to see activity log under your activity. So tap on it. So right here, you can be able to see all your activities here on Facebook. So let me say we want to use this personal information. Okay, let me just find another one. Let me say I want to use public post. So I'm going to tap on public post. So you can be able to see all your public posts right here. So if you tap on it, you can be able to delete all of it. If I tap on it, you're going to see move to bin. So you can be able to use this as well for the rest of your activities. So if I tap on the activity history from here, you're going to see everything. So let me say you want to collect all of this, you can just tap on this. You can be doing it one after the other. You're going to see delete. So you're going to do it for all of it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.